Hello everyone, I am Sanjeev Pandey and today this is video 4 on the chapter The Tiger King written by Kalki. Let us start. What if the 100th tiger were also killed? Then I will tear up all my books on astrology, set fire to them and actually the astrologer is saying that if the 100th tiger were also killed, then he would tear up all his books on astrology, set fire to them, and he would set fire to the books, and I shall cut off my tuft. Tuft means a bunch of hair growing on the top of the head. I shall cut off my tuft. I shall cut off my tuft, crop my hair short, and become an insurance agent. The astrologer finishes statement on an incoherent, nonsensical, illogical note in illogical way. Mean to say, the astrologer finished his statement in illogical manner. From that day onwards, it was celebration time for all the tigers inhabiting living in Pratibandhapuram. From that day onwards, it was celebration time for all the tigers inhabiting means living in Pratibandhapuram. The state banned tiger hunting by anyone except the Maharaja. The state banned tiger hunting by anyone. Nobody was allowed to hunt tigers. Only the king was allowed to hunt the tiger. A proclamation means announcement. An announcement was issued to the effect that if anyone dared to fling means throw so much as a stone at a tiger, all his wealth and property would be confiscated means seized. His all property and wealth would be seized. Proclamation means an announcement was issued. An announcement was issued to the effect that if anyone tried to show courage, to fling means to throw so much as a stone at a tiger. If anybody tried to throw even a stone at a tiger, all his wealth and property would be confiscated means would be seized. The Maharaja took an oath. He would take care of all other matters only after killing 100 tigers. The Maharaja took an oath that he would look after the other matters after killing 100 tigers. Initially, the king seemed so well set to realize his ambition. In the beginning, the king seemed so well set, determined to realize his own ambition, to fulfill his own ambition. In the beginning, the king seemed so much determined to fulfill his ambition. Not that he faced no dangers. It doesn't mean that the king did not face dangers. Yes, he faced many dangers. At many times his life was in danger. Not that he faced no danger. It doesn't mean that the king did not face dangers. There were times when the bullet missed its mark. There were times when the bullet missed its mark. The tiger leapt, means jumped upon him, upon the king. And sometimes the tiger jumped upon the king and he fought. But the king fought the beast with the tiger with his bare hand, with his naked hand, without any weapon. The king fought the beast, means the tiger, with his bare hand, with naked hand, means without any weapon. Each time it was the Maharaj who won. But each time it was the Maharaj, the king, who won, and he killed the tiger. At another time, he was in danger of losing his throne. In this way, he continued to hunt tigers, and ultimately his throne came in danger. See what happened? At another time, he was in danger of losing his throne. A high-ranking British officer visited Pratibandpuram. A high-ranking, an officer of high rank, a British officer of high rank, visited Pratibandpuram. He was very fond of hunting tiger. He also liked hunting tiger very much, and he also wanted to hunt tigers. But the Tiger King did not allow him. He was very fond of means he was very fond of hunting tigers. Mean to say, he liked hunting tigers very much, and fonder of being photographed with tigers he had shot. Actually, he was also fond of being photographed with the tiger he had shot. Actually, he was also fond of that his photograph should be taken with the tiger he had shot. As usual, he wished to hunt tigers in Pratibandpuram. As usual, he wished to hunt tigers in Pratibandpuram, but the Maharaja was firm, constant in his resolve, in his determination, because he had decided that he himself would hunt the tiger, nobody else. But the Maharaja was firm, is constant in resolve, in his determination. He refused permission. He refused to give permission to the British officer for hunting tigers. He said, I can organize any other hunt. He said to the British officer that he can organize any hunt for him, but tiger hunting is only for him, means the Maharaja. I can organize any other hunt. You may go on a boar means wild swine hunt. You may go on a boar means wild swine. You may go on a boar hunt. You may conduct a mouse hunt. You may conduct, actually the king is saying to the British officer, you may conduct a mouse hunt. We are ready for a mosquito hunt. The king said to the officer that they are ready even to organize the mosquito hunt for him. But tiger hunt, that is impossible. That's impossible. That's not possible. You can't be allowed. That is only for the Maharaja. Thank you. Have a nice day.